Syncro4 on 3S, first run, first pull of the trigger. See how this thing handles. See what punishment we can put it through and how much it survives. Seems to be alright for a 3S power at the moment. And we've picked up a passenger. So let me just get rid of this guy. I mean, for 3S, that's not bad. Scoots along pretty well. Oh! It's not every day you flip over a buggy. Those tyres are definitely very grippy. They got a lot of side bite, much like their Badland counterparts. So you have to be a little bit careful on the turn, especially in grassy terrain. Gravel is not going to be so much of an issue, but on grassy terrain, if you hook the steering, she's going to want to tip over because they bite. Oh, bite quite a bit. Wow, alrighty, let's do some jumping. And I'll tell you what, these tyres feel a lot better than the ones on the Spark. But then again, we are running a little bit less power, a bit less torque. Oh yeah, these tyres feel a lot grippier on this car than on the Spark. I might have to do a bit of a swapperoo, maybe put these on the Spark. Whoa, hey, hold on. Yeah, I have a lot more control steering wise with this car. And I'm comparing it to the Spark because I literally just finished driving the Spark and I can tell the difference right away. Suspension's probably a little bouncy, but then again we are running a lightweight soft case 3S in there, so it's not weighing the car down too much. Maybe with the 4S heavier pack it'll feel a little different, but oh wow, it's very much a point and shoot car. This grips really well, handles really nice. Just really good handling, flies through the air, well balanced in the air as well. All right, let's take it on some bigger jumps, see what damage you can do. Alrighty, 3S on this big jump here. Oh, it just holds that line beautifully. So easy to control on 3S. Look at that, just holds that line. So good. Oh, this one 4S is just going to absolutely fly. But for those of you out there who are like, well, I don't have a 4S, or I don't want to spend money on a 4S just yet, or maybe you want to start off on this, just get used to it, well, you're still going to have a bit of fun. Still going to have plenty of power. And this is on full, so if I switch this down to half power, there we go, that's half power on 3S. So I mean, you can barely get any air. So that's at 50%. Easily anybody can drive this and you're not going to hurt the car. So you want to give this to a little kid, maybe your grandma, whoever. Oh, it cleared it! It even cleared the jump. Not too bad at all at 50% power, just for absolute beginners. And then you can flick the switch and away you go. Start throwing up rooster tails, start getting a bit more air. And it just holds. Oh wow, it's just the handling. These tyres are really, really good. I'm very curious to see what's going to happen on 4S when you get a bit more wheel speed. And obviously they're going to struggle for grip a little bit more, but man, it just holds that straight line so well. Really pleasant to drive. Oh, nice. Bit of a whip. And I think we'll wrap it up here. There's no point going on a Superman jump with 3S. We're not going to really get huge amounts of air. So we'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the 4S run. And I'll catch you next time.